Hey, what's going on? Change of scenery in my car because it's vacation week and we have guests in where I normally do my work. So I got kicked out. Anyway, I wanted to make a video to clarify something. When I say the word optimal, after our assessments, we do, exercise programming with choices that will be more efficient, more optimal. Optimal is a buzzword in the fitness industry. Optimal this, optimization, it's used incorrectly. What's out there now is, optimal exercise for weight loss, optimal exercise for bigger arms, optimal exercise for a flatter stomach. That doesn't exist. There is no optimal exercise for anything. There's not a one size fits all programming, just like there's no one size fit all shoe, if you think of it that way. There is no one exercise that's going to be great for biceps. There is no, for everybody, I should say. I mean, bicep curls are great for biceps, but not everybody can do them, and sometimes with some people, it doesn't work. So there is no optimal exercise for one specific target. Excuse me. When I say we create programming that will allow you to be more efficient, to move more efficiently, and our programming is efficient and optimal, it's based on you, what you can do, how you move, and how you respond to that movement. That's where a lot of people go off, and they don't grasp the concept of individualization. A ton of trainers out there saying, oh, I make individualized workouts, yet it's a cookie cutter program that they'll tweak because you can't do, a 50-pound overhead press. Oh, so now it's 30. It's individualized. See, it's that stupid. So we make programming that's going to, based on your movements, to allow you to move more efficiently and optimally. And it's also based on how you respond to those movements. That's the key here. It's how you respond to those movements, how your body responds, how your body reacts. Your body may adapt really, really quickly, and we have to go up in resistance and in intensity to get the result that we're looking for. So optimal is a buzzword where the way we use it with our assessments is different than finding one movement that's going to be good for one specific thing. So I just wanted to clarify that, we're not jumping on the bandwagon of using optimal and optimization as, that's how we do things. Or to be honest, I don't even use the word individualization, or individualized workouts. I don't use those because they're catchy, they're buzzwords, and I want to say majority of trainers don't follow that anyway. Alrighty? Thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going to try to put out a couple more videos, at least once a week. This last 10 days have been a little crazy because vacation time. And summertime's coming, so things are going to start slowing down. So anyway, you may even find some in my car again. So like I said, hit that subscribe button because I want to keep doing this for you guys, and I have a whole catalog of stuff I want to talk about. Things that bother me in the industry, and also just more tips and tricks for the human body and to get you guys going. Alrighty? Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again soon.